Hello everyone, today let me show you the ZEKOKI variable speed angle grinder model ZKK-8100VS. I got this from Shopee for 2,199 pesos plus 127 pesos shipping. It already came with a case, a plastic case. It's actually quite a nice case. It's got a hinge box type case and a latching type lock. Inside there's a manual, a shield or a mud guard, and a free grinding stone, a straight handle, and a wrench for changing the blades. And here we've got the actual item itself. It's got a sliding switch action. I really like this kind of switch because it's easily accessible that way when you're grinding, and if something goes wrong, if you want to turn it off immediately, you just push down and it turns off, unlike those designs where you've got the switch at the back and it's very difficult to access. Here we've got the speed adjustment for the variable speed. It goes from 1 to maximum of 6, and here you can see there's a speed scale. It goes from 4,000 RPM to 11,000 RPM. Now let's see this thing in action. By the way, just a little tip: if you're going to work with angle grinders, make it a habit that if you're going to plug this in, that you're holding the angle grinder firmly in your hand like so. Why? Because you want to avoid turning on or plugging in the machine and the angle grinder is already on the on position. A lot of times we get too excited working and we don't realize that it's already been switched in the on position. And if you're going to have the angle grinder like this and it's got a blade on it lying on the floor, on the table, and you plug it in, it's going to run wild and perhaps hurt yourself. That is something we do not want to happen. So let me demonstrate. That way you avoid hurting yourself. So let's go from 1. I'm going to turn this on. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. It's got no vibration. It's well balanced. So I'm really impressed with this machine. So the real reason why I bought this machine is to be able to manage kickback, which I'll show you, I'll demonstrate to you in a while. So by the way, if you're going to change blades or install blades, it is also advisable to unplug the machine. That way you don't actually accidentally turn the machine on while you're installing or changing blades. So that's enough. So I'll be right back. Okay, so another free tip: if you're working with an angle grinder, especially with a wire brush, wear protective eyewear, because this little wire brush tends to shoot out and you don't want them to hit your eyes. So in order to demonstrate to you what kickback is, the machine is going to turn clockwise like this, and if you're going to hit the edge of something that you're trying to brush like this, it's going to kick back on you hard, especially with a ordinary or normal angle grinder that's got no variable speed capability. Now, in the highest top speed, I'm going to put it on the low speed. Now kickback becomes manageable. I'll try to demonstrate. That's kickback. Now if the machine is going so fast, it's really going to kick back so hard, and that is something that I do not want to experience. Now just a short demo. I'm going to push down hard on this lowest setting, number 1. There's actually virtually no resistance. It's actually quite impressive and it's performing absolutely perfect. See that I'm quite pushing down hard and it's holding up. So let me turn this off. It doesn't heat up. The head does not heat up. The motor itself does not heat up. So let me show you a side-by-side comparison with a Makita angle grinder. I'll be right back. So this is my Makita angle grinder. I've had this for more than 10 years now. It has served me well. It still got the original box that came with it when I bought it. This is model 9556 NB, and all throughout its life since I got this, I only had to change one pair of carbon brush. So let's put it side by side. It's basically the same size, same type of switch, sliding action switch. The only difference is it's got no variable speed adjustment. The Makita is a 840 watts motor, while the ZKOKI, I do believe, is a 850 watts motor. So let's measure the cord. I'll be right back. So basically the cord is about more than 2 meters long. This is actually nice. More than 2 meters long. Let's do the Makita. That's one. That's two. Basically almost the same length. Let's measure the thread as well as the diameter of these two. Basically, it's got the same thread, so it's interchangeable. Let's measure the diameter of the head. It's 43 millimeter. Same with the Makita. So if you're going to install additional attachments or blades, basically it is interchangeable. So anyway, all in all, I'm really impressed with this machine. I like this machine. I'm actually planning to buy another one for 2,199 pesos. I do believe it's well worth it. Full disclosure, I do not advertise for ZEKOKI, nor am I affiliated with any stores that sells this product. Why am I doing this? I just thought that I would do my bit. When it comes to online shopping, all too often we're only limited to watching pics, looking at pictures and specs, and we do not actually see the item in action. And this is in order to help us make a much more informed decision, especially when it comes to online shopping. So anyway, that's it for today. I hope to show you more. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. So thank you for watching.